Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a review about the Franklin A50 mobile hotspot device for AT&T. So this is a new hotspot device for AT&T. So if you guys want to check it out, it's available now at AT&T, and this is a 5G mobile hotspot device. So that is pretty cool. So you guys can get the Franklin A50 hotspot device for $584 a month, or for retail price $209.99. So it's available in black there. This is what the device looks like there on like the top of the device. You guys got your AT&T logo, your screen there, and your buttons there to navigate through the interface and stuff. So that's pretty cool there. So yeah, like I said, it's $584 a month, which $209.99 for retail price. Alright. So it says here, Franklin's A50 5G mobile hotspot provides a fast, reliable, and secure connection with AT&T 5G for up to 20 devices. Its 2.4-inch color display and compact design provides enhanced security with remote management to easily manage your private and secure data access. The rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery will power your day wherever it takes you. So that's pretty cool. Videos and images, so we should get more pictures of the device here. Alright. So there is the top of the device there. Like I said, you guys have your AT&T logo, your 2.4-inch color display. It's not touchscreen or nothing like that. You got your buttons there on the bottom of it for your right click, left click, and I think this is your select key here in the middle. I think this right here is your charging. I think right here is your charging port right here, I believe, on the side of the device there. And there's a better look at it there. Your charging port. I think it's Type C. I think it is. That kind of looks like Type C here, which is pretty much standard now. Charging port again. And the bottom of the device will have little feet for it to be ventilated, to be off the ground just a tad bit. And on the back here, I think these are like fans, I guess, on the back here. So like good for like ventilation and whatnot. The left side of the device here, you got your little yellow nuts to pry off the back, so the battery is removable, I believe. So that's nice. And there's the bottom of it there. Like I said, has like 4 little rubber feet. It has ventilation on both sides, so that's good for air circulation. I suggest you guys put this on like a table. Don't put it on carpet or nothing like that. Put it on like a table or something. Alright. There's the device there again. There's the left side with your little knots to pry off the back to reveal the battery and whatnot. So the battery is probably removable, which is very nice if it is. And there it is on all sides and angles and whatnot there. Specs. The Franklin A50. The key features of this hotspot: it shares AT&T's 5G and Wi-Fi 6 dual band with up to 20 devices, built-in browser, built-in power bank feature to charge external devices, which is pretty cool. Rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery, enhanced security feature with remote management. So this hotspot device is also a power bank, which is pretty cool there. So it is dual purpose, so that's pretty cool. Your dimensions on the hotspot device, I'm guessing this what that being like face up, but if you guys are just looking at it straight, if you guys are just looking straight at it, it's 5.1 inches height, 3.3 inches width, and 0.74 inches depth. The Franklin A50 hotspot device weighs 8.29 ounces. Display 2.4 inches, 320 by 240 pixel resolution. That is QVGA. So it has shitty ass resolution, but it's a hotspot device, so you're not gonna use the screen for much of anything. If you're gonna use it for 2 minutes, like you're not gonna use the screen all the time anyway. It's just for like hotspot management and stuff like that. 262,000 colors, and it is a color display. 5,000 mAh battery. It is removable, so the back does come off, and so you can remove the battery and replace the battery if you guys ever need to do that. 24 hours of usage time, 6.2 days of standby time. It does have fast charging. Time to charge to 50% is 60 minutes, so that's about an hour. Time to charge to 100% is 180 minutes. So that's 3 hours. It has a Qualcomm processor in there, probably Snapdragon, which I'm pretty sure it is. A single core processor, 1 GB of internal storage, and 1 GB of RAM. This is a household device, so you're not gonna get a lot of beefy specs on this thing. So keep that in mind. Wireless technology, it has 5G, of course. It does have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11 BGN ACAX, dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It also has 6 GHz Wi-Fi as well. 20 devices of hotspot connection, so you can connect up to 20 devices. It takes a nano SIM card. So that's pretty much standard now. Sustainability there, product codes and whatnot. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, quick charger, brick, and your Type-C cable. So that's pretty much standard in the box. There's nothing special in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys are looking to get an 5G mobile hotspot device on AT&T, the Franklin A50 is now available. It's been available for like the last couple of days now. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G hotspot device on the go, check this one out here. It's available now for $584 a month or $209.99 for retail price at AT&T. It has a color display, it has fast charging, power bank, it has a lot of features with it. So check it out if you guys are looking to get a 5G hotspot device on the go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.